Best Beginner Adventure Motorcycle 2025 KTM 390 Adventure. For riders looking to step into the world of adventure motorcycling, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure remains one of the top choices. Offering a perfect balance of power, lightweight handling, and off-road capability, this motorcycle is ideal for beginners who want a versatile and confidence-inspiring ride. With updated features and KTM's rally-inspired DNA, the 2025 model continues to set the benchmark for entry-level adventure bikes. A lightweight yet powerful adventure machine. One of the biggest advantages of the KTM 390 Adventure is its lightweight design, making it easy for new riders to handle on both highways and trails. With a dry weight of just around 172 kilograms, 379 pounds, and a low seat height of 855 millimeters, it's a bike that accommodates riders of various experience levels. The 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine produces 44 horsepower and 37 newton-meters of torque, offering an exciting yet manageable ride. Unlike smaller dual-sport motorcycles, the 390 Adventure has enough power to comfortably cruise at highway speeds while still being friendly for off-road exploration. The 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch ensures smooth shifts and helps prevent rear-wheel lockup during aggressive downshifting. Updated features for 2025. KTM has introduced minor refinements to the 2025 model, improving both on-road and off-road performance. Adjustable WP Apex suspension. The 2025 KTM 390 Adventure features 43mm WP Apex upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock, both of which are fully adjustable for preload and damping. This makes the bike highly adaptable to different terrains. Improved traction control and ABS modes. KTM has further refined its off-road ABS and traction control system, allowing new riders to have better control over the bike on dirt and gravel roads. TFT display with smartphone connectivity. A full-color TFT display provides essential ride data, and Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to pair their phones for navigation and calls. Larger 14.5-liter fuel tank. With an impressive fuel range of around 400 kilometers, 250 miles, the 390 Adventure is built for long-distance travel. Why it's perfect for beginner adventure riders. The KTM 390 Adventure is designed to be forgiving yet capable, making it an excellent starting point for riders new to adventure touring. Here's why it stands out. Lightweight chassis ensures easy maneuverability, both on and off the road. Low-maintenance single-cylinder engine with fuel injection and liquid cooling keeps running costs down. Long travel suspension and large 19-inch front wheel offer excellent comfort and stability. Traction control, cornering ABS, and ride modes help new riders gain confidence in various conditions. Final verdict: a top choice for new adventure riders. The 2025 KTM 390 Adventure continues to be one of the best beginner adventure motorcycles, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and modern features. With its lightweight design, reliable power, and advanced technology, it provides new riders the perfect gateway into the adventure riding world. Whether tackling city streets, highways, or off-road trails, the KTM 390 Adventure is built to inspire confidence and deliver unforgettable rides.